Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I would like to share my experience in a HAL exhibition organized by HAL Bengaluru on the eve of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. That means we are celebrating 75th anniversary of India's independence. In this short trip, I have gained lot of knowledge about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, which I would like to share with you all. HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited was founded on 23rd December 1940 by Sri Sethwal Chand Hirachand Ji in association with the then Kingdom of Mysore. It is located in the heart of Bengaluru city. There are several other branches of HAL all over India in some of major cities. There are 8 divisions, 4 liaison offices, 1 branch factory with Bengaluru as its headquarters. 8 divisions located at Bengaluru, Kanpur, Korba, Lucknow, Barakpur, Koraput, Nasik and Hyderabad. 4 liaison offices located at Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Vizag, and 1 branch factory located at Kosargod. There are many aircrafts on display pictorially as well as replicatory, which includes transport aircrafts, trainer aircrafts, fighter aircrafts, helicopters, engines and accessories as well. Now let's enter into pictorial photo gallery exhibition, which was divided periodically as per decades right from its formation to 1960. We can see the unpartitioned Indian map, which includes Pakistan and Bangladesh before independence on the main gate. We can also see flags of UK and USA. The sole purpose of establishing HAL is to research, develop and indigenize aerodynamic technology and stand up to the challenges that our nation faces to defend our sovereignty through air power. We can see our famous Indian engineer Sri Moksha Gundam Vishveshwaraya in this pic. In this pic, we can see Srimati and Sri Lalchand Hirachand Ji. In this pic, we can see famous Buddhist monk Dalai Lama. In this pic, we can see the founder of HAL Sri Sethwal Chand Hirachand Ji and their family. Here, we can see replicating models of HAL Glider, GNAT Fighter, Vampire Fighter, HT-2 Trainer. Now we enter into 1961 to 70 picture gallery. In this decade, we fought 2 wars, one with China and one with Pakistan. Green Revolution also took place in this decade, started by the then PM Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, for which Basant agricultural aircraft developed by HAL. Shastri Ji given the notion Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Here we can see replicating models of Marud Trainer, Marud Fighter, Kiran Basic Jet Trainer. Now we enter into 1971 to 80 picture gallery. In this decade, we fought famous Indo-Pak War, in which entire Pak army surrendered and East Pakistan liberated and named as present-day Bangladesh. 1971 war was fought under the leadership of the then PM Iron Lady Srimati Indira Gandhi Ji. MiG-21 and other fighters maintained by HAL played a crucial role in winning 1971 war. Here we can see replicating models of MiG-21 Bison, Basant agricultural aircraft, MiG-21 fighter, Ajit fighter. Now we enter into 1981 to 90 picture gallery. In this decade, we lost our first woman Prime Minister, Srimati Indira Gandhi ji, in the year 1984. Indira Gandhi ji was called as Iron Lady of India. Here we can see replicating models of HTT-34 turbo, propeller, trainer, Jaguar aircraft, MiG-27 fighter, Dornier passenger aircraft, Ajit trainer. Now we enter into 1991 to 2000 picture gallery. In this decade, we fought and won another famous war with Pakistan in the year 1999. In this decade, HAL indigenously started developing advanced light helicopter Sarang and light combat aircraft Tejas. Here we can see replicating models of Canberra bomber, Lakshya pilotless target aircraft and MiG-21 FL. Now we enter into 2001 and beyond, that is present day picture gallery. In this pic, we can see our beloved President Missile Man and Guru Shri APJ Abdul Kalam, who was very close to ISRO, DRDO and HAL as well. In this pic, we can see visionary Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. In this pic, we can see our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Here we can see replicating models of LCA Tejas, ALH Sarang, Hawk, Lakshya Navy, Sukhoi 30. Here we can see evolution of helicopters, aircraft right from 1900 to present day. Really, one has to appreciate the efforts put on by organizations like HAL to develop aerodynamics and make people's life more comfortable. I was so glad to see Herbal Garden maintaining by HAL staff. It was a visual treat to see so many medicinal plants. Organizers had arranged ambulance, first aid treatment and firefighting vehicles for emergency if any during the event. Now let's enter into exhibition hall. There are various components and accessories of aircraft and helicopter engines. We can also see various communicating devices which are used in aircrafts and helicopters. Have you ever wondered how the helicopter flies? Here is the mechanism on display for us. I was so excited to know that there are so many bevel gears and shafts used to connect from main engine to rotate the tail rotor which balances helicopter. Thus, huge blades lifts the structure and tail rotor balances helicopter. And there you go! This is our next generation aircraft developing by HAL, CATS Warrior. Apart from replicating models of aircraft, there are actual aircrafts also on display. I hope I am able to explain you some information about HAL to you all. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. See you again.